Okay, so what I want you to do is make a comparison now between the women in Homer and the women in Virgil. Really, Dido. Okay, we're concentrating on Dido. Don't think about Creusa, think about Dido. Now, what kind of comparisons would spring to mind if we've already thought about Helen?
Dido and Diana.
Dido is compared to Diana, yes, the goddess of chastity. Anything else about Dido, though, that is perhaps not Homeric in terms of presentation of women?
She's not married.
She's unmarried, or she enters into an illicit relationship. Actually, that happens in Homer.
Yeah.
Can you give me a few examples in Homer?
Circe,
Calypso. There are these women goddesses who are mistresses, sensual mistresses in Homer. But Dido seems to be falling into that category. Now that is interesting. So she's not Penelope. She's not Nausicaa. That's one thing you can say. What about her arts? Can you remember what happens at the end, towards the end of Book 4?
She turns to black magic.
She turns to black magic. And that means that she's associated with who in Homer?
Circe.
With Circe, possibly, and also with Helen in Book 4.
Oh,
Because you remember,
the drug.
Yeah.
she administers the drug.